Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy, healthy cabbage vegetable stir fried mix recipe you can eat to maintain a healthy body size without gaining a lot of weight or belly fat and always staying in shape. Like, this is so healthy with nutrients and less calories to help cleanse you and help you maintain that good and beautiful skin size. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll be using will be half a cabbage. So cabbage is very good for detoxification. It helps to cleanse your system, supports your system to easily release, break down and flush out waste out of your system. Very healthy if you're looking to burn some calories and stay in shape. This cabbage recipe is what you want to go for. Very healthy. So this is my one half a cabbage slice. I'll show you how I'll wash it up. But let me introduce the other ingredients. I'll be using half an onion. Onion too is very good for cleansing. Like, it helps to spice up your food to taste really good while cleansing your system as well. So you want to get half an onion and slice into shapes you want. I'll be using these peppers. I'll be using green pepper, I'll be using red pepper, and I'll be using the yellow pepper. These are very powerful sources of antioxidants, very good healthy vegetables you want to go for. Like, if you want to stay healthy, maintain a good body size, vegetable fries or vegetable soup are the kinds of recipes you want to go for. So these are the kinds of meals I make to help me not gain the scary weight I used to look so big before. Like, I make a lot of vegetable mix fries, vegetable soup, and this is one of my recipes I want to share with you. This will help cleanse you, help you maintain a good body size, because this is easily digestible without storing up, causing any excess weight gain or belly fat. So these are my peppers. You just want to slice into some sizes you like. As you can see, I'm slicing them kind of same kind of shape. Everything is long to give me that beautiful, like, I love my food to look beautiful. So depending on you, you can slice whatever way you like, but I just like when my food looks presentable. I love it. So I'll be adding these green beans to it. Green beans too is very good. Beans is very good for your health. It contains a lot of fiber as well to keep you full for some time without you craving, but with less calories. So it's like you are feeling full, but basically with just like healthy roughage, not bad calories or carbs. So I'll be adding in one carrot. So as you can see, I'm still doing same thing, slicing the long like shapes, like, yeah. So I just want everything to look this shape for today. So this is one carrot. Carrot is very good too. It cleanses you, glows your skin from the inside. It has a lot of fiber to keep you full for some time, but with less calories as well. I'll be adding in one tomato. Yeah, tomatoes are very good as well. They help to give your soup some thickness, color, flavor, as well as tomatoes are very good for your health as well. In short, this is kind of vegetable mix, stir fried soup you want to enjoy yourself and with less calories. Yeah, so these are the ingredients. Plus I will show you how to wash your cabbage, and I will show you the spices I will be using. So you want to stick around and watch and see how this thing will come out looking so beautiful. So I'm using hot water to wash this cabbage. I want to wash it with hot water so it cleans the cabbage thoroughly, and it doesn't get too crunchy in the mouth. Like, you eat it and you don't feel it too crunchy, because I don't want to fry for so long or cook for long. So once you wash the cabbage, it gets softer and really clean, so it doesn't run you, but like just cleanse you naturally. So I'm using olive oil or coconut oil, any one you have. You can just put like 3 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil in your pot. Add in your tomato and your onion and just stir fry for like 5 seconds, and you add in your peppers. I'm adding the peppers now. I want the flavor to really get into my stuff. I'm adding a pinch of salt, so like half a teaspoon of salt. You don't want to put a lot of salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic for taste and flavor. You can use fresh garlic, but I'm using everything dry. This is dry ginger as well. So I have dry spices in the house. I just like to make it easier. Otherwise, I'll have to be blending all this. So I just want to use the dry spice. So I've put salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, and I've put some chicken spice there for flavor. I will leave the ingredients at my description for you to see the spices I use. So I use uh, parsley as well, parsley for good flavor. So it depends on you. You can just use the spices you love, but when I use these spices, this thing comes out, tastes so good. So this is when you want to put your carrot and your green beans in now. So there's enough flavor now to get into them, and you can put your cabbage, and voila, this is it. You want to fry everything. So what you want to do now is, you don't need to really cook or add in water in here, but you just need to kind of like just keep stir frying with your without adding water. So I added in some parsley leaves, like just to spice this thing up a little bit more, and I added a little bit of coconut oil. You can add a little bit of olive oil, coconut oil. So this olive oil and coconut oil are healthy fats. Those are the kinds of healthy oils you want to go for if you want to stay healthy. So I'm just covering the pot. So these the green beans and the cabbage just kind of cook a little bit, and I'll be using some shrimps I had in the house that I steamed. You can add shrimps, you can use fish, you can use a chicken to add in here. So depending on you, fish, shrimp, chicken, whichever you want to add in your vegetable mix, that is fine for you. But I just want to add in some shrimps. I steamed some shrimps and I really love them in my vegetable mix. So depending on whatever you want to add, but I really try my best to stay away from red meat, from cow meat. I eat fish, I eat shrimps, I can eat chicken, but I really try my best to eat a lot of fish and shrimps, like seafood. They are very healthy. So this is how you end up with it. So after you add your spice, you can just cover the pot for like 5-10 minutes. So the green beans cook, so it doesn't really taste raw in the mouth, just for like 10 minutes maximum, so all the spices get infused, like they get together for it to taste good. So you just close your pot. The cooking time is 5-10 minutes. Everything will be ready. If you make sure you wash your cabbage as you saw me at the beginning, everything is just okay. And this is so nutrient dense. You serve it in your plate, and if you want to eat it with carbs, because most of us Africans, we love eating with carbs, and the kind of carbs I would recommend, you can eat with sweet potatoes, you can eat with your brown rice, depending on you. Today I just want to eat the vegetables, but days I really feel hungry and I need to eat carbs, I go for sweet potatoes. Yeah, but now I just want to eat it this way because, I tell you all the time, I want to maintain a healthy body size because I used to be so big. So I'm really scared of eating too much, but this keeps me so full and nourishes my system with all those nutrients I need. Like this plate is, you see how colorful it is, loaded with different kinds of vegetables your system needs. Your system can easily break down these vegetables without stressing your organs. It can easily break down without food store up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Like this is very healthy. You want to try and come back and tell me how it tastes for you. It will cleanse you, help you with your weight loss journey, and you always stay healthy and in shape as well. So I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.